What's up guys, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Pretty quick video and something a little bit different on the channel. It's the first steam engine I've ever got. This thing is from Sterling Kit. Leave a link down below. It's sweet. It's got like a, I don't know, put on your bench and something like that to run it every now and then. But it does work really well. It's made out of quality materials, steel, and it's also got brass here as well. So basically what you see here, you get this in the kit. You get, well, firstly we go for the minor stuff, a couple of Allen keys. This thing here is alcohol lamp cover, so when you want to stop the flame you put it on top. Get an alcohol lamp, it's got cotton inside there as well, so you pour your fuel in there. In here we have our, you can see it's quite a big brass boiler there. Nice little silicone tube running over to this part, and this is the steam chamber itself. You got your cylinder over there, you have your pretty big flywheel here as well, as you can see there, and here's where you pour your water in, and this is also, you have your release valve as well. It's got like a little spring there, so if ever anything happens you can release the pressure, nothing will blow up on you. And here you have an exhaust which just kind of sits on here, and you can just turn it any way you want to direct the steam out of there. Got another little wheel here, another flywheel, but you can see the crank, the piston, and all the moving parts there as well. It's got a metal base as well with little rubber feet, so it doesn't run around too much. So basically all you need to do, you pour water in here, 20 to 25 mil. You pour your fuel into here, light it, and when it starts to boil, you'll see it coming up here, and steam will start to build up and a lot of condensation. When that happens, you turn this little wheel here counterclockwise and it will start. So I'll get a little syringe of water, put about 20 mil in there, and we'll show you the process. That's it. Once it's light, put it under here. It doesn't take too long at all, and you'll start to hear it boiling because it's only 20 mil of water in there, so it doesn't take too long. So we just put a few. I used a 5mm syringe, put about 4 of them in there, and a bit of metho for the fuel, and that's it. We'll just wait and see. I do love steam. One of my first models was actually like one of those steam tractors, and see if I can get that back up and running and get that restored, because I think in these pistons the rings are like a rubber O-ring, and I think that deteriorated on my one, but that was well before my time. I think it's back in the 70s and I'm not that old, so it doesn't take too long. But Sterling Kit has heaps of these kind of things on their channel, on their website, if you want to go check them out. But when it starts to boil, I'll turn it back on and show you. Okay, as you can see, it says when the steam starts pouring out of the exhaust there, you flick it counterclockwise. Cool. You have a bigger flame, obviously it's going to go quicker. That's it. And this can rotate. Watch out for the steam because it does get very hot, but you can turn the exhaust if you want. There we go there. Simple, but it's what used to power our trains. And I do love this area of steam trains. It's all mechanical, you can see everything. And if you want to stop it, it's easy. All you need to do is that. Now to start it back up, that's all you need to do. Spin it around this way. There we go, you can see. It might have run out of steam already. That's it. Nice, huh? Now, yeah, to extinguish a flame, you just put this little cover over it, and that's it. Let it exhaust all the oxygen out. That's done. You don't want to run that when it starts to run empty of the alcohol, because obviously it will burn a lot of that cotton in there. But that's it. Hope you guys like it. I'll just spin it around here so you can see. Good thing about water, it's easy to clean up. And that's it. Little steam engine. Obviously, be careful, it's going to be very hot, but this is really cool, something on the shelf. A lot of the old guys like this old steam stuff, and also for kids learning about the steamer and how everything used to be powered, from tractors to steam trains, a lot of farm equipment. But there we go. Hope you guys liked it. Link's down below. If you do like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't, please subscribe. Cheers, guys.